Look, Sun God double up as an amazing mount holder.
Good morning and welcome to today's video. We're going to ride bikes again.
Yeah.
We're tired. That's all we do.
How are you after yesterday, bro?
I've just about recovered. It was my birthday yesterday. How many did you have?
2, and I was a bit struggling already.
So, another ride in the hills. I've been here a lot recently, clocking up the miles with Sav, Lawrence and James today. 3 major climbs, nothing too serious. James is on his gravel tyres, nice and steady. So I'm suffering a little bit from yesterday. It's going to be another hot one today as well. Had a massive heat wave here in the UK, so happy days. 35, 36 degrees, good times.
I'm good, brother, I'm good. Not bad. I'm glad to be back out on the bike.
Your legs recovered after, I was going to say Glastonbury, Edinburgh.
Pretty much, yeah, we're getting there. It took a lot out of me. Do you know what? It was just my hands and my wrist that was sore, so they're the things that are still recovering, but my legs are fine.
You get a bike fit. I know a guy.
I know a guy. Don't be careful with my
It's a bit like Vietnam.
I feel smart. You don't ride your bike. Ride your bike, people. Otherwise you get fat and slow, like Captain Slow. You asshole! Man.
It won't make you faster.
No, it won't. Definitely won't.
It's like Rob Quirk on a bike ride. This themselves out, adjust them, adjust the seat
they're new
post.
arch pieces and I put them in the wrong place.
No, Rob Quirk just forgets his shoes. That's what Rob does. You have to help out as well.
Making a pizza.
I'm attracting all of the wasps.
I thought you'd done it on the wrong side for a minute.
I'm so clever.
He's had a cafe stop and he's stopped at the shop now.
Needs more liquid. Let's go crazy, crazy, crazy.
So I've been trying to stick to fairly early starts at the moment just because it's so hot. At this time of the day, 11 o'clock, it really starts to get unbearable. So last climb of the day now, after a little bit of a cool down at the cafe, up Denbies, and then back, downhill all the way home. Lovely. Maybe a second cafe stop on the way back too.
I've actually been at the base of Denbies every day for the last 3 days.
Just love wine.
Just love it.
So begins the pain.
The train comes rolling through.
Past Captain Slow. I am fat and happy, sir. I do not give a shit. I got nothing to prove. I've ridden across deserts and mountains. I don't give a shit.
I'll ride with you. This is actually way nicer.
Yeah, I know. Slow it down.
They're just taking selfies, isn't it? Hey, yeah. Just giving up. Bye. Next up, I wanted to quickly talk about the Attacus jersey. You don't know about this yet?
No, I do.
The pink jersey that everybody was obsessed with was finally released by Attacus. It's the one I was wearing a couple of days ago. I haven't got one here, but I will flash it on the screen now. Unfortunately, Attacus sold out within an hour. So they're now doing a pre-order. So you're still gonna be able to get one if you want one. I'll put a link down below to the pre-order page, and then I guess it's 6 weeks, which is like my orange jersey, same time frame. So head to that link down below if you want one, any size, men or women's. It's all done as a pre-order, so you'll definitely get what you want. How are you?
I'm very hot.
You know what's great?
What?
It's your turn to go in the shop.
Oh, it's the worst time.
There was a point on that ride where I was trying to catch James because Lawrence was pushing him up a hill. So I thought I'd catch him. And annoyingly, I've like twinged my back. Now my back really hurts. I don't know what to do. Maybe I need a bike fit.
Hurt your back?
Yeah, I twinged it. I was like sprinting to catch him. Because they were going fast. Even though, I mean, Lawrence is just fast, isn't he?
Need a massage, sir. Remember, I drove halfway out the car park and then remembered.
Ticket of destiny. It really is very hot today. I think I'd rather be in the shop than be in the car, actually. This is like a greenhouse. I think I've just about recovered from the multiple beers yesterday. I probably spent 2 days eating absolute crap, and while it is fun at the time, I don't know if it's worth the fallout. Felt pretty shocking on the ride this morning, and it's not solely down to the drinks, it's just eating junk. Birthday junk. I basically ate a whole plate of nachos to myself. I've sent Daisy to go and buy some healthy food. I'm gonna get back on track, waking up early, be super zen, eat loads of greens, and I'll be back on form pronto. Now, I normally don't record and upload my bike rides, and I know a few of you ask about it in the comments quite a lot. You want to see the route, you want to see the power, speed data, that kind of thing. And I've never really got around to uploading it because I already upload so many things, like these videos, which take up a lot of time. But I have found myself, as I've been riding a lot more recently, craving a little bit of power data. I was then contacted a couple of weeks ago by quite a major power meter company asking if I wanted to borrow a pair and actually do some rides based around power. It's obviously one of the most popular ways to gauge how hard you're training. My question to you guys would be, would you be interested in that? Would you like a rundown of how training with power works? Or do most of you already know how to train with power and you'd be interested to see the stats? Let me know in the comments and I'll make a call whether to work with this company or not based on that. I'm not going to say who it is though. Top secret. Shh.
That's why I'm way more efficient than
How are you so quick?
Because I just know what I want.
It'll take me like 2 hours to do that.
How can you not be that efficient?
Right, I think you should go, always go in.
But you can buy it every time then.
Deal. I will happily pay
And look what
for
they
you
have
to do the
introduced
shopping.
Again. My favourite vegetarian steak slide.
Family pack for just you.
Someone left their trolley, so we got £3.
Is that yes.
A real pound.
That pays for the shopping. Free shopping. So if you live in the UK, you'll know that cycling's been in the news quite a lot recently. The government want to push for more people riding bikes, which is fantastic. Particularly in London, there's a lot of infrastructure changes because it's not the best at the moment and it does put a lot of people off that do want to ride bikes. There's a demand, but they're just not confident enough to do it. Tomorrow, I'm going to meet one of the guys from the London Cycling Campaign who knows a lot more about the topic than I do. They've managed to make sense of all the confusing government proposals. So I'm going to meet up with him tomorrow, take the camera and see what is actually happening in terms of change for cyclists in London. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to sign today's video off now. Thank you as always for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.